Hello viewers, greetings from Boston. Today is winter storm Kenan was roaring in the northeast and my neighbors were venturing out in the blizzard. The roads were empty, some people were walking around and it was fun, really fun. I hope you will like this video. Thank you for your support and continue to give me support. In this video, you will see one of my neighbor, how kind he was. Keep watching. Surprisingly, no snow was sticking on the tree branches. I think mainly because of the wind. Very gusty wind. There's a lot of snow. The wind is a little bit better now. It's not whipping, but snow continued to come. This footage was taken at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Here we go, my neighbor Carl.
Hi.
Hi Carl, how are you? Do you like this snow?
I love the snow.
I love the snow. You know what? He brings a nice hot chocolate for us. Thank you so much. See that? Carl, our neighbor. He brings the hot chocolate for us. Isn't it so nice of him? God bless him. Oh God, he's still coming. You know, what time is it?
4.
4?
I mean, look in your camera.
Cool. It was hard to walk in that snow. The streets were empty, basically, hardly any cars, and some people were walking around. And it's probably between 1.5 to 2 foot snow. Look at that! This one is in my backyard, and it's just beautiful. It was so lovely. I think it's all fun. And thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and have fun. And hopefully this snow will stop today.